Hey guys, I'm back with another new tutorial. Today we will learn how to create this bodybuilder banner while exploring how to composite multiple images to create this colorful smoke effect surrounded around bodybuilder using Photoshop. If you learn something, don't hesitate to like the video, share it and support the channel by subscribing it. So without further ado, let's get started. We are inside Photoshop now. I have taken 9020 by 1080 document. This is the bodybuilder image which I am going to use on this design. So first we have to create the background. Hide the subject layer for now. And with the help of adjustment layer, create gradient. Select any base gradient as a starting point and change color with the help of color stops. I want darker shades of blue. You can copy this hex code if you want to match the color I am using. This is the second color hex code. Press OK. Change the style to radial. Reverse it. Angle 45 and scale anything from 180 to 200. Move gradient to the right so lighter areas are beneath the subject. Turn on the subject layer. As you can see, our subject is quite bright and colorful. So select it. Apply black and white adjustment layer. Clip it. I want red color more darker. And blue color as well. Take curve tool, clip it and decrease the brightness. I want darker shades more darker and midtones little bit brighter. I want blue tint on the subject, so create a hue saturation layer, clip it, colorize it and take slider to the blue color. Decrease saturation below 10. 6 is more than sufficient. Rename the background. I want our subject and background to blend more. So copy the background layer and put it above all layers. Now select layer mask and with the help of brush tool and black color remove where our subject is. Increase opacity to 100%. Remember, I want this effect on the edges of our subject, so it looks blended with background. Decrease opacity to 30% or so. It's looking good to me. Select subject and all layers above and put them in group. Ctrl G is the shortcut. Rename it subject. Now it's time to add those cool smoke in our design. I have found few of the images from the stock free website. You can do the same and you'll have to find out what are the pieces which will look good on your design. I think this area will look awesome on our subject forearm. So select this image, go to the image, adjustment and desaturate it. With the help of level, Ctrl L is the shortcut. Increase darker areas and brighter areas. Change blending mode to screen. Now with the help of lasso tool, copy few of the pieces and try fitting it on your design. Ctrl J to copy it. Hide an actual smoke layer. Now try placing smoke on your design. Ctrl T to transform it, and with the help of Alt key, place pivot point to rotate around the axis. Shrink it little bit. Now apply layer mask and remove unwanted with black color. Increase opacity to 100%. Remember, black hides and white reveals, so play with it until you are happy with the result. We have placed first smoke above our subject. Now you will have to find more smoke images and add them similarly. I am copying same image and placing it on shoulder. It's looking good. I'm going to use the same images on the other hand as well by flipping it horizontally. It's a repetitive process, so I am fast forwarding from here. Add few more images on top and beneath the subject and keep blending them. I am adding watercolor image on the background, so it has variation on it. Decrease opacity around 30% and hide vignette layer and tweak it so everything looks good. Now it's time to add colors to our smoke. Create new layer, clip it with the bottom smoke image. Now we need to select the color. On the right hand, I am going with vibrant blue and green color. Change layer blending mode to overlay. As a second color, I am going with green. Change smoke layer blending mode to linear dodge. It will give more intense effect. So this is how we will apply color to our entire smoke. I am going with red and yellow color for the left side. If you have any confusion at any place, you could reduce the speed of video play. Now it's time to add color on the subject. Create glow on center. Make overall light and color adjustment. I want blue color on shadow, yellow and red on highlight. Create new layer. Ctrl Shift Alt plus E to merge everything on single layer. Go to the filter, other and high pass. Give radius from 1 to 1.5. Change blending mode to overlay. Create new layer. Merge everything on single layer again. Now make the final tweak with the help of camera raw filter. We are done with the design. If you have any queries, you can ask me on comment box. If you like the tutorial, don't hesitate to like the video, share it and subscribing the channel. So thanks for your time. Bye for now.